10 Health Benefits of Eating Curd. Curd, also known as yogurt, is a popular dairy product that has been consumed for centuries due to its delicious taste and numerous health benefits. Made by fermenting milk with beneficial bacteria, curd is a rich source of essential nutrients and offers various advantages for overall health. In this video, we will explore 10 detailed health benefits of eating curd and why it should be a part of your daily diet. Probiotic powerhouse. Curd is a natural source of probiotics, which are beneficial live bacteria that promote gut health. These probiotics help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria, improve digestion, and strengthen the immune system. Digestive health. The probiotics in curd aid in breaking down food and improving nutrient absorption in the gut. Regular consumption of curd can alleviate digestive issues like bloating, indigestion, and constipation. Boosts immunity. The probiotics in curd stimulate the production of antibodies and immune cells, enhancing the body's ability to fight infections and diseases. Regularly consuming curd can help strengthen the immune system and protect against illnesses. Rich in calcium. Curd is an excellent source of calcium, a mineral essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth. Incorporating curd into the diet can help prevent osteoporosis and promote bone health, especially in women and older adults. Protein-packed. Curd is a rich source of protein, which is vital for tissue repair, muscle building, and overall growth. Including curd in the diet can be especially beneficial for vegetarians and those seeking to increase protein intake. Weight management. The protein and probiotics in curd contribute to a feeling of fullness, reducing hunger pangs and curbing unhealthy snacking. As a result, curd can be a helpful addition to a weight management or weight loss plan. Regulates blood pressure. Curd contains potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and reduces the risk of hypertension. Incorporating curd into the diet can be beneficial for maintaining cardiovascular health. Supports skin health. The probiotics and lactic acid in curd can help improve skin health by promoting a healthy gut microbiome. A balanced gut microbiome is linked to reduced inflammation and improved skin conditions, such as acne and eczema. Supports brain function. Curd is rich in B vitamins, including vitamin B12 and riboflavin, which are essential for brain health and cognitive function. Regular consumption of curd can support memory and mental clarity. Reduces lactose intolerance symptoms. Individuals with lactose intolerance often find that they can tolerate curd better than regular milk. The fermentation process breaks down lactose, making curd easier to digest for lactose-intolerant individuals. Overall, curd is a versatile and nutritious dairy product that offers a wide range of health benefits. From promoting gut health and boosting immunity to supporting bone health and skin conditions, curd is a valuable addition to any diet. Whether enjoyed on its own, added to smoothies, or used as a base for savory and sweet dishes, curd is a delicious and beneficial superfood that can contribute to overall well-being. So, consider incorporating curd into your daily diet and harnessing its numerous health advantages for a healthier and happier life.